Here is how you can change your privacy settings on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your privacy settings on Twitter. So let's start. First of all, open Twitter and log into your account. As you log into your account, tap on the profile on the top left side. Then after, scroll below and go to settings and support. Now select settings and privacy. Go to privacy and safety. Now you can manage various privacy related details of your account, such as your audience and tagging, privacy about your post, about the content that you see on Twitter, about the accounts that you have blocked or muted, about the direct messages that you receive on Twitter, and so on. Select the feature that you want to change. Then after, choose the settings as per your preference. After that, simply go back. Then you will have changed your privacy settings on Twitter. So in this way, you can change various privacy related settings on the Twitter app. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.